My house.
My house has got 6 rooms. First room is bedroom. In the bedroom is a shower. Next to the shower is rubbish bin. Under the rubbish bin is rack.
Table. This is a bath. A kitchen. This is a big fridge. Next to fridge is microwave. This is a cupboard. And
On this cupboard are some plates and cups. The next cupboard is a bowl with the fruits.
My dog is sometimes sleeping on my bed, sometimes always. Here is a wardrobe with mom's clothes.
And there are 3 windows, a big bed, and 2 bedside tables, and TV, and wardrobe. My room is very color. There are double bed. There are wardrobes. There are many toys. There are posters. There is carpet and mirror.
My bedroom. I have 3 beds, 1 PC, 4 wardrobes, 1 bed, 1 chair, and 1 pillow.
In the bathroom is sink, bath, basket and mirror. My second room is kitchen.
In the house are 6 rooms. Kitchen, living room, 2 bedrooms, bathroom and loft.
Downstairs is kitchen, living room, and bathroom. On the upstairs are bedroom, living room, and next bedroom.
And here's my helmet, here's my Lego, and under my bed I have my old toys.